Hey guys, welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. In this video, we will see how to add the price box add-on to a WordPress website. First, install and activate the Elemento Addons plugin on your website. Now open the page with Elementor. You can add the add-on anywhere on any page if the page is built with Elementor. Look for the price box in the Elemento Addons section. Here it is, drag the add-on and drop on the place where you want to add it. You can also search for the add-on from the search bar. I am duplicating the box, as we usually see. In the price box, there are several designs and hover animations to choose from. Here you can write the title and description text of the price box. The button can be switched to text. And you can alter the text. There are various icons that you can add to a button. This is the link box for the button and disclaimer text. The price box helps to control the pricing. You can show the discounted price and select the currency. These are the sections that are showing the list view. You can add more from this button. With the help of ribbon, you can highlight something about the pricing with different types of ribbon designs. The styles, as the name says, is given to stylize the different components of the pricing box. You can adjust the colors, typography, padding, and margin. In the advanced section, the full add-on can be customized. After all, save the changes and preview the site. This is our price box, as we designed it. You can also visit the price box page where you can derive the inspirations and design your pricing page attractively. This is all about the price box add-on. Download from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.